Alright, so now got the unit all buttoned up, cover on, this cover's off. I'll have to take those two screws out because I gotta switch them with those two. These are for the panel. Not a big deal. But other than that, I think we're ready to go. This is on. Just like this. I didn't check if these are good. I hope these are fucking good. What's the voltage on this? 208, 230. Any lights? Anything? Oh, I hear clicking. That's a good thing. Clicking means it's trying to run. Alright. So now the next step should just be going in and turning these on, and you guys cannot come with me inside of the building. So, I'll see you back out here when this is either running or not running. We're gonna find out.